Natay bisita karon guys. Hi, Cham! Ano na sila dito? Oh, BTS. BTS sila naman. BTS. Oh, ayan na sila diri. Oh. Ikaw din, naminaw. Ilang lang. Hi, Blake. Oh, lami asa ka. O, ni nahurot na. Namo. Nay pizza, guys. Oh. Ah. Sus. Lakaw daw ka dito, mabalik naman din ko. Bye. Bye, Calvin. Bye, Breaker. Mao maguna ilang na nasikatan og maayo. Kanang dynamite. Grabe ha. 8 hours of BTS. World record. 8 hours of BTS. 8 hours. 8 hours of BTS. Grabe ha. So far, unsa man ang inyong na-learn?
Love na mo ang BTS. Love yourself.
Never give up.
Love yourself.
On your dreams. From dome to stadium.
Diligid from dome. Oy, sa
Gymnasium to stadium. To online. O mo ni karon ang ako from online worldwide.
Sorry.
After 8 hours of BTS, how unsa man? Kumusta man? How do you find the live concert or online YouTube videos right now? How are you feeling? Do you want to cry? What part of the YouTube video?
I want to cry.
Why? Why do you want to cry?
I want to see them in person.
When is the next BTS?
English na ita.
Diki, upload mo ni nato for the army.
Sorry.
Why are you an army? Sige, why are you an army? Si Cham ato ang interview na ni.
Chukwi.
Why are you an army?
Diba, din ka buok? Ambot.
How do you find the YouTube online live stream? Was it good?
It was good.
Did you learn something from it after watching it for 8 hours?
Yes, I learned na gwapo jud si Jungkook.
Okay. Nya kinsa to niingon nga kung daoton nimo ang mga BTS?
Upload yun na.
Awa ta kay ba kay marketing man ni, marketing. Sige. Asa naman ta mga 8 hours of gone.
Malanggalas ligo.
Adi, daghan kitag nakaon gyud as in, oh. Daghan tag nakaon. Nindot.
8 hours.
Background unta no.
Nagpa-picture sila, guys.
Kato ang background na katong thanks to army.
Too late.
Pero na pa man na, no?
Murag wala na.
Ay, kaisa wala. Katurag yun. Wala yung replay.
Premiere ended. So premiere din ni siya guys no.
Yes.
Ah.
Wala na yung replay.
Wa na replay. So kay Sarah.
Replay. Same po nasa katong last year, Chang.
Last year.
Katong bang ko na po.
Oh.
Wala po yung replay to.
Ano sure to YouTube?
Okay na ka ko
Okay,
nalig
kay-
okay.
Pagkuhan mo surya mo about BTS para i-upload na to for the army.
Bahala ka na.
Guys, ganiha guys, niingon ko nga naay kalok-alike ni Vice Ganda. Ilabayan ko nila og pilo. Grabe. Oh, so sad man ah.
Oh,
Oh.
Oh.
for 8 hours, gabi no? 8 hours? Oh, almost 8 hours day. Oh, it should. Yapit na 8 hours. 11, 12.
8 hours, uy. Almost 9.
Almost 9 hours. Ay,
Grabe
almost
ha.
9 hours. Grabe. Asan na mga on?
Unsa may gi-promote ni B? Nga pagkaon.
Coffee, tiya.
Basig Burger King, nagyapo yung BTS dira ang Burger King. Huwag promote og Burger King ang BTS. Ah, di nataan na eh.
Ng Pure Foods. Hotdog.
Ah, mamalit na. Mamalit ta og Pure Foods.
Dili, dikit. Ilang cartoon character.
Wala naman, murag kuan naman to.
Ha?
Murag,
Ay, mag-o karon. Lahi man gud mo na palit sa una.
oh, ang hotdog nga BTS. Ing ato daw katas ah. Mao na to guys, no? 9 hours of BTS. You can only
9.
You can only watch it once. If you missed it, you can never watch it again. Oh.